In this video, I want to show you how you can find your broker inside of TradingView. Now what you want to do is open up any chart, it doesn't matter which one, head down to the bottom where it says trading panel, and then you want to open it up. Now if you don't see it, you just want to drag on this bar right here and make it bigger, and then you want to scroll down until you find the broker that you use. Now if yours is not right here, you can click on all brokers and it's going to open up a drop-down menu of all the brokers that you can currently use with TradingView. So what you want to do is simply look for the one that you use. So let's say you're using NinjaTrader, and then you just want to click on it, and then you want to log into the account and press connect. So that is basically how that works. It's really simple. You just want to find the trading panel, open it up, and then you can open up for your broker. Now I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.